all, welcome to eCode's 100 Days of Coding Challenge. Today is day 15 and let's see the question number 1. So the question is, create a Java program that showcases the use of multiple catch clauses and nested try statements. We need to implement a method that may throw different types of exceptions and handle them using multiple catch clauses. So the description is given that when write a Java program with a method containing nested try statements. Also, we need to demonstrate the handling of multiple exceptions using different catch clauses. Okay, so here we are discussing about multiple try statements and that is nested try statements and multiple catch clauses. So we will see soon what it is, and then there is no input format, and for the output we will print relevant messages which indicates the successful handling of various exceptions. So the constraint is that we need to have at least 2 nested try statements, and then we need to implement the handling of at least 3 different types of exceptions. So there is output given. So first exception is arithmetic exception, then by which catch block it is handled. So I have already created a Java file, so let us open it. So in this main method, I'm going to first start with a try block. So this is the first try block which we have, and then final so this is the outer catch block which we have. So firstly, in this try block, what we will do is, so let me first try the, so let me also write try, another try block inside this, and then catch. Inside this try, we will have another try block and another catch. So they said 3 are enough, so let's go with this 3. So for the outer block, I will write an array. So int arr equals 1, 2, 3. So I have declared an array, and I will try to access this array of 3, which is out of bound. So I'll try to print this, and I'll put this inside the print statement. So this would definitely, so what error we would get? So the exception we would get is array index out of bounds. This is the exception we get. So in the second try block, so we would get that exception. In the second try block, what I would write is, so this time I will try for the arithmetic exception. So I will try to print 12 by 0. What would occur then? They would get an arithmetic exception. And here it is, exception again. So now in the final try block, what I will do is, so I can declare an object of some other class. So I will create a class here, class demo, and then I will call a constructor here, out the object is created. So here I will create an object of that particular class. How do we create it? So demo ob equals new demo. So as I have created the object, and now I'm assigning that object as null. Immediately after that, I'm going to call a method. So let me write another method here. So static void method. So I'll print here, this is a method. So as this is a null, this cannot call this method, right? So we can see here, so for that I am going to catch here null pointer exception, which is E, and I will print null pointer exception, or I can just directly print the E here. So this is the innermost try block, try and catch block, and in the outer block I am going to catch the arithmetic exception, which is AE, and I'll print that again. And then for the array index out of bound exception, here I have to catch it. So array index out of bound exception AIO, let the name be that, and then I'm going to print AIO. So this is it. So I have created nested try and catch block statements. So let me run and check what it is printing. So then clear this. Java C day15.java and Java day15. So we can see that we are getting array index out of bound. As it is getting handled here itself, that's why we are getting array index out of bound exception. So this one we are getting here printed. So here we have seen if inside the try, if we have all this, if an exception occurs and we have caught it outside, then we had directly got the output of that particular exception. We can do it in another way also, like first of all we will have a try, and then inside this try and we can have the catch block here itself. So like this is like, first of all we have try, and then we have try again, and then we have try, and then we have started closing the try blocks using catch. But the other way of doing is we will be having try and then try catch and then try catch. So like that, multiple try catch blocks, and finally we would be catching the outer try, and then this is the outer. So this is another way. In that case, so these all try and catch blocks would be caught. So whatever exception are occurred. So this is another way of doing the nested try and catch blocks. So that's it for this video. Do follow the 100 Days of Coding Challenge by VCode. Thank you for watching.